When I heard the specs for the new iMac Pro, my immediate reaction was, that's going to need liquid nitrogen cooling for the 18-core model. After all, the 16-core AMD Threadripper I've been testing has been known to hit as high as 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius, when maximuming out all cores on a 3D render, and that's in a roomy Alienware Area-51 desktop with plenty of airflow. So when Apple's 10-core Xeon W model didn't break a sweat on a similar render, and almost silently as well, it made for an impressive demo. But the flip side was that none of its demos showed the processor running for any length of time at 100% utilization on all cores. That's something you're less likely to see on an Intel chip with faster clock speeds overall, unless you increase the load. No one needs to convince me about the value of faster, as many cores as you can get processors. I've been using a 6-core Xeon E5 based trashcan Mac Pro for years. I always thought it was slow, until I started testing more mainstream systems, and my use doesn't hold a candle to most real-time interaction needs. The much bandied about $4,999 starting price sounds high, but for what's inside, plus the included monitor, it isn't really. It starts at £4,899 in the UK and $7,299 in Australia. I've seen the iMac Pro work its way through some pretty whizzy software demos, including a couple of VR software applications that looked really nice, if aerobically challenging. The first demo I tried was Gravity Sketch, a surface modeling tool that lets you manipulate control points and surfaces in VR. You can also assign materials and cameras, and basically do much of the Pro 3D creation process. There's an early access version of it on Steam.